Hi friends, welcome back to my channel again. So in this video I'm going to share you Tech Mahindra hiring for 3000 people. Let's jump into the video. Friends, basically while I was scrolling my LinkedIn, I was able to notice this post, Tech Mahindra to hire 3000 folks. So I wanted to share this with you. So Tech Mahindra has recently opened a new campus in Coimbatore with the planning of hiring 1000 people locally. And then keeping that aside, engineering and consultancy services from Tech Mahindra plans to hire 3000 people in Gujarat over next 5 years, reports the Times of India. The move comes after the company signed an MOU with the government of Gujarat. So the MOU is aimed at boosting the IT ecosystem in Gujarat and helping deliver state-of-art digital engineering services in the states, says MD and CEO CP Gurnani. It will help to create employment opportunities for people within the state and help them with learning opportunities. He further adds, Tech Mahindra has been tapping into local talent to fill up its vacancies. So basically, if you notice, 1000 people they are going to hire from Coimbatore, and 3000 people they are going to hire from Gujarat. So if you notice this, basically the hiring will start, but this is not a 1 day or 2 day process. It would be like years of process. They are putting their efforts. So this is the article that I was able to read to understand more. So consulting and engineering firm Tech Mahindra has signed an MOU with the Gujarat state with aim to hire 3000 professionals in the state over the next 5 years. So they are going to hire 3000 people in 5 years of duration, and you can assume they are going to hire 1000 people in 2 years of duration in Coimbatore. So this will be something called IT and ITES domain. They will hire you under that system, and basically I would say this is a great opportunity for Gujarat folks, or else I would say for the entire Gujarat state, because the IT ecosystem has been leveraged in India and it is growing almost all parts of India rather than only concentrating on the South India. And that's it friend, that's it for this video. In my upcoming video I would be sharing more relevant information, and leave a comment on what is your opinion on this article. Thank you and have a great day.